Alright, so one of the most important things to understand and things to know is why the golf ball reacts a certain way. And kind of what I have set up here is a visual representation of swing path, or possible swing paths that we can make with the golf ball. The first and kind of the most important thing that affects ball flight is swing path, just like I said before. And there are three different options for swing path with varying degrees of each. So basically, what I have set up here is imagine that this intersection point is where the golf ball is. And like I said, there are three different options. We can either swing this club toward the target, we can swing this club from the inside or swing it to the right of the target, or we can come over the top and swing this club to the left of the target. Now it's important to understand this concept because this, like I said, this affects ball flight. And how it affects ball flight is swing path is the biggest determining factor of starting direction of your shots. Okay, so if I'm consistently hitting shots that are starting left of my target and curving to the right, I know that in all likelihood I've come over the top or swung that club left of the target. That's why it's starting to the left. Now let's talk about curvature of the ball for a second. Curvature of the ball is completely determined by the club face angle at the moment of truth. So if the club meets the ball, is the club face square, open, or closed? And it's not as simple as just being square, open, or closed. That club face angle has to have a relationship with the swing path that we put on the ball, okay? Or the swing that we've made. So we're trying to keep this relatively simple here. Understanding why the golf ball curves, like I said, there's a relationship between the swing path and that club face angle. So if I swing this club directly down the target line, or I swing this club directly on plane at the target, and the club face is slightly open or closed to that line, the ball will curve in that direction. Okay? That's pretty simple to understand because it's a straight swing or a swing that's going directly at the target. It gets a little bit confusing when we start talking about swinging to the left and swinging to the right. So basically, if you think of a perpendicular line, basically, of that club face angle and the swing path that you take. So even if I swing this club to the left, which is probably the most common, swinging over the top and swinging to the left of the target, I can still hit the ball straight, or I can still even curve the ball from right to left with that type of swing path. But that club face needs to be square to that swing path to create a straight ball flight. Of course, the golf ball is going to take off to the left because we swung it over the top, but you'll still receive a straight ball flight.